so hot outside. Luckily, I have this tiny fan. If you want to build one of your own, watch this video and learn how. Alright guys, the things you need are a AA battery cage and an on and off switch and a 3-volt motor. If your battery cage has pre-installed wires, that's okay. Alright guys, the first step of the video is you connect the negative side of the battery cage to the middle of the on and off switch. Right here, the middle of the on and off switch. Guys, step 2 is connect the positive side of the battery to the left side of the motor. Okay guys, the last step is you connect a wire from either sides of the on and off switch to the remaining side spot of the motor. Okay, if your on and off switch has 3 sides, that's okay. But mine only has 2. That's also okay. Because if it has 3, you can connect it from either sides of it. Mine has 2. I connected it from the remaining spot. Alright guys, when it's done, it should be something like this. And it should be blowing wind. When done with all the electric stuff, you glue the motor onto the battery cage as well as the on and off switch. When you're done, it should look something like this, where the wires are where the battery cage's wires are coming from the back and the motor is in the front. Alright guys, if you would like to get creative, you can maybe use a cup and make that a cage for your fan. Alright guys, if you like my video, please like and subscribe and tell all your friends about my channel. Bye!